We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, myself Bhavesh Ghosti, and I'm going to take a session of how to find any integral by using Green's theorem. So let me start. So the example is using Green's theorem to evaluate this integral, which is given by xy dx plus x square y cube dy, where C is the triangle with the vertices 0, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 2. So we need to find this integral by using Green's theorem. So first question is, what is Green's theorem? So let me see. So Green's theorem is integral of p dx plus q dy is equal to double integral over the region R into del q by del x, means partial derivative of q with respect to x minus partial derivative of p with respect to y dA. dA means what? Order of an integration. We can use dx dy as well as we can use dy dx. So let me see the rest of the terms. So first C. So here C is what? So it is mentioned C is positively oriented piecewise smooth simple closed curve. What is it? C is a positively oriented piecewise smooth simple closed curve. Now the question arises in our mind that what is positively oriented piecewise smooth and simple closed curve? So let me move around this. So we have a graph x versus y, and there is some closed curve. So this type of curve is called piecewise smooth simple closed curve. Okay. Now this inside area is known as region. Okay. So this is a smooth closed curve that we know. Then this one, positively oriented. Now this term, now we know P is y smooth simple closed curve, that we know. But what do we mean by positively oriented? So let me move on to this graph of x versus y. The graph is given, which is smooth closed curve. Now we can see the direction of this curve. Okay, so the direction is anti-clockwise. Okay, so if the direction of any curve is anti-clockwise, then it's called positively oriented. And similarly, on the other side, if direction of any curve is clockwise, then it's called negatively oriented. So positive oriented graph. Then R is what? Region enclosed by the curve C. So region, this inside area enclosed by curve C. Similarly here. Okay. So inside the inside the area which is enclosed by curve C is called region R. Now the question is, what do we mean by P and Q? So P and Q are functions of variable x and y, both x and y. That doesn't mean P includes only variable x and Q includes only variable y. That doesn't mean P and Q both carries variable x as well as y, and have continuous first order partial derivative. They both have what? Continuous partial derivative. So Green's theorem, the statement of Green's theorem is this. Now the question is, we need to find an integral of this term xy dx plus x square y cube dy. So let me see. So first question is, how to find P and Q, how to identify P and Q. So here given, what is given? xy dx plus x square y cube dy. So now compare this integral with this term, P dx plus Q dy. So coefficient of dx is obviously P and coefficient of dy is obviously Q. So you can see this is P and this is Q. So we can write P is equal to, therefore P is equal to xy, Q is equal to x square y cube. Now what terms we actually need? Del q by del x and del p by del y. So partial derivative of p with respect to y. Let me find it out. Del p by del y. So partial derivative of xy. So we need to do a derivative, partial derivative with respect to y. At that time another variable x will remain constant. So derivative of y is 1. So x, similarly del q by del x. So while doing this derivative, another variable y will remain constant. So derivative of x square is 2x. So 2x by cube. So these are the terms. These are the partial derivative with respect to x and y. Now let me replace these values into the equation. So C xy dx plus x square y cube dy is equal to what Green's theorem says? Over the region R, del q by del x minus del p by del y dA. dA means what? Order of an integration, whether we can use dx dy or we can use dy dx. So let me start. Is equal to, over the region R, yes. Now del q by del x. What is the value of del q by del x? 2xy cube. 2xy cube minus del p by del y. X dA, order. Let me use dy dx. Okay. Now to find this integration, we need to mention the limit of integration. So here we have to find the limit of x as well as y. So how can we find the limit of x and y from here? So observe the problem. What it says, the C is triangle with vertices 0, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 2. So let me try to draw this triangle. So here let me draw xy, x versus y. Let me say here 1 and 2. Now its 3 points are given. 0, 0. 0, 0 means initial point. This point 0, 0. Then another one is 1, 0. So 1, 0 means this point 1, 0. And the rest one is 1, 2. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. 1, 2. So triangle enclosed by these 3 vertices. Okay. So here region is inside the curve. Okay. So let me try to find out limits of x and y. Now this is the case of multiple integral. So that we know that this is outer limit and this will contains inner limit. So outer limit is what? Limit of x. So observe the curve where it starts and where it ends. So here on x-axis, here we need to find the limit of x. So the region start with this point and ends with this point. Okay. So start with this point means initial point. So what is initial point? 0 and ends in this point. What is this point? x is equal to 1. So let me mention the limit 2xy cube minus x dy dx. Okay, so outer limit x from 0 to x is equal to 1. Now next we need to find inner limit. Now how to find inner limit? So if we want to find inner limit, we have to draw a strip which is parallel to particular axis. Here the limit of y is required, so we'll obviously draw a parallel strip to the y axis. This is a parallel strip to the y axis. Yes. Now first end of strip touches on this line and second end of the strip touches on this line. Okay. So what is this line? It is nothing but y is equal to 0. What is this line? Y is equal to 0. So one limit is cleared. Y is equal to 0. Now next, it touches on this line. So what is this line? This line is connected by 2 points 0, 0 and 1, 2. So now formula of line connected by 2 points. So formula of this line is x minus x0 upon x1 minus x0 is equal to y minus y0 y1 minus y0. Let me use this formula. So these are x0 y0 and this one is x1 y1. Okay, so x minus x0 0 upon x1 minus x0 1 minus 0. Similarly y minus 0 y1 minus y0, so 2 minus 0. X upon 1 is 1, y by 2. So therefore we can write y is equal to 2x. So now this strip touches on this line and this line is nothing but y is equal to 2x. So our limit will be y is equal to 2x. Okay. Now simple integration with respect to y and then with respect to x. So 0 to 1. Integration with respect to y. So integration of y cube is what? Y raised to 4 by 4. So 2 and 4 cancel. So we can write x y raised to 4 by 2 minus x into y over the limit 0 and 2x dx. 0 to 1. Replace these limits with y. Why? Because integration is done with respect to y. So x into 2x raised to 4 by 2 minus x into 2x and then replace with 0. So if we replace y with 0, the 0 minus 0, so term will be 0. No need to write. Now 0 to 1. Now we can write 2 raised to 4 16 x raised to 5 by 2. Okay, 2 raised to 4 means what? 16 minus 2x square dx. So we can write here 0 to 1 8x raised to 5 minus 2x square dx. Now integration. So what is the integration with respect to x? Integration of x raised to 5 is what? 8x raised to 6 by 6 minus integration of x square is what? X cube by 3. What is the range? 0 to 1. Now replace x with 1 and then by x with 0. So 8 by 6. 8 by 6 means what? 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3, and when we replace x with 0 it will be 0. So 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So answer is 2 by 3. So when the question is like evaluate this integral by using Green's theorem, so in that case we need to find only right hand side, and if the word is like verify Green's theorem for the given integral, at that time we need to compare both of the side, left hand side as well as right hand side. Also we have to find the line integral which is lies on the left hand side. So mention please always properly see what is the word evaluate or verify. In case of verify, we have to find both of the side, left hand side as well as right hand side. Okay, thank you.